ハイパースピードメディア。
Alright guys, no crash, be safe. If we crash, we got support vehicle. Not in a Miata today. Yay! Support vehicle. Oh yeah, emotional support.
I can't tell you, I can't fix your car, but I'm here for you.
Well, you'll get your car up and running, don't worry.
Next month.
Next month? Okay. Well,
if not October, just gotta wait for the
Mr. Singh right here. You good? This is serious when you're putting air in your tire. Oh, really? Okay.
heard someone say air, and I was like, oh, I gotta get.
Gotta make sure you got some air. Yeah. Oh, you got the tow hitch too, huh? Look at that. You guys okay? You guys good? You want to say hi? Yeah, I did remember seeing your car last time. Yeah. Yep. I remember the turbo. Yeah. Oh, really?
Blanket, the heat wrap.
Ah, okay.
Double catch can, contains some intercooled. Cooling
What manifold is that?
It's the upgraded CX Racing.
Oh, the newer version.
The stock one, the version 1.
They crack, right?
Like,
Yeah.
all heck.
Yeah.
And on the version 1,
Yeah.
the coolant line there rubbed right up against the head.
Ah,
It was burning holes through the coolant line.
makes sense.
So they
fixed that.
the version 2, yeah.
Good. And it's more beefier, the metal, I guess, the
Well,
flange.
it's around the cylinders, but the crack smoke
Okay.
is better, and it's heat treated.
Nice.
With a different way.
Oh, wow. Okay. CX came a long way, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. I know a lot of drift guys are using it too. Yeah,
Because that
so.
version 1 kit, it was cracking after everyone had it for like 6 months.
Right. Yeah, I'm glad it worked out. Yeah, that's great.
That has his 65th gift to us.
Oh, wow. Great gift.
Yes.
Great gift. He seemed to like enjoy it, so. Yeah. Well, thank you. And thank you for coming up for the drive. Yeah. The what? The match? Oh, the kicks. Oh, make sure you. Okay. Make sure your friends are okay. I was surprised. I didn't know you guys rattle canned that, but I can't even tell. Yeah. No, I can't even tell.
Still needs a clear coat.
Right. Just a little buff and clear. It should be fine.
Yeah. Probably some more layers though, just to be safe.
Yeah, of course. Okay. Car. Oh, why are you guys moving away? I'm trying to get you on the camera, you're moving away. What should I do? We're leaving soon. Just waiting for the one person to come back. I know it's hot, guys. Yeah, Mr. Dan. All right, you heading out? Yeah, thank you for coming by. Hope to see you again.
so much.
Oh, no. Everything you do, we're like the same. We're like this now.
Bros.
But thank you, Dan. All right. Okay, take care. Look at this guy, antenna. Flexing his radio. We got one of these, right? And check out his radio. Wait. No, show it off. Whip it out. You know those phones back in the 80s? That's what it remind me of. Right? Those big.
That's a weapon right there.
Okay. He's ready to lead the pack. Okay. All right, let's go. Let's go. You guys coming too, right? Are you guys coming too?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. You guys got AC?
We do.
Damn, I see that. I've got no AC. What you ordering? What you got? What you ordering?
Got the ribs.
Oh, you gotta shave before you eat.
I mean, I'll deal with the consequences later.
Okay. It looks good. Check out this conversation right here. Thanks, guys. All right, thanks for coming by again, guys. What you guys order? What you guys order? What you order? Fish and chip. Okay. Be safe. What you got?
Avocado Creole burger.
Oh, okay. Okay. Different time? What?
His conversation?
Yeah.
He has nasty conversation.
I know.
Fucking nasty. Nasty.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell your wife, man. I'm gonna tell your wife. Got the two Shirley Temple right here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
What's up, Matt? You got the car running?
Yeah, I got one of them running. The other one is not running.
What did the engine builder say? The engine builders.
Alderman Performance.
The what?
Alderman Performance machinist.
Yeah, but what did they say?
Oh, I haven't taken it there.
Oh, what are you waiting for?
I gotta take it up there. They're busy.
Oh, okay, all right. Well,
He told me I have to wait to bring it in.
okay, I mean, it's on them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. You're good. You're good to go. All right. Thanks for coming by, guys. And thank you, sir, for coming by, all the way from New York.
Had a great time, man.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, boats are nice. Boats are really nice out here.
I think sometime in the fall we're gonna do the more extreme road. If you ever want to come back, we do it once a year only. It's like up in north, up in the mountain, like straight up in the mountain.
I'll be there.
Yeah. You'll love it. The road trip. Yeah.
ハイパースピードメディア